Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to create the Durga Puja NAVAMI makeup look, and I have created this intense black smoky eyes and paired it up with this nude lip, which goes really well with my western outfit. And this is basically the NAVAMI night out party look, and you can even pair bold lips with this look and it will look nice. So I'm going to wear this look in the night of NAVAMI of Durga Puja. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So at first I'm gonna do my face makeup, and for the foundation I'm using this LA Girl Pro Illuminating foundation, and I'm just dotting it all over my face and blending it out with the help of this sponge. So this is a very glowy and dewy foundation, guys, so it will give you a lot of glow in the night of NAVAMI and it will look very nice and glowy. For the concealer I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade medium, and as usual I'm just putting it under my eyes, and I will be priming my eyelids also as well. Now blending the same with the help of the sponge. Now I'm going to do my cream contour, and for doing cream contouring I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Espresso, and I'm just putting it in the hollows of my face and all the other usual areas where I just need to contour. Now I'm just blending it out with the help of the sponge. Now to set my under eyes, I am using this Loreal Matte Magic Compact and setting my face with it. For setting my cream contour, I am using this contouring shade from Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. Since I have used the cream contour, I just need to set it since I am using this powder contour. Now it's time to do my eyes, and for the eye makeup I'm using this e.l.f. Matte for Matte 2 palette, which is called Summer Breeze, and it has got a lot of nude shades. So at first I'm going to take these two shades, one is the peachy one and another one is the light brown one, and I'm just blending it all over my crease. This will act as a transition color. Now taking this brown shade from the palette, I'm just putting it in the outer two-thirds of my eyes and blending it out with the help of the previous shade. So now I'm taking this KAJAL, it's called the Voste KAJAL, and I'm just putting it all over my lid. I'll be creating the base for my smoky eyes. And now I'm just blending out with the help of the smudger it comes with. So this is the Studiowest purepassion eyeshadow trio, and I'm taking this dark black shade from the trio and spritzing a little bit of fixer in it and putting it all over my lid. This eyeshadow has got a lot of fallouts, guys, since I have wet my brush so that I will not get any sort of fallouts. Taking the previous blending brush, I'm just blending my crease again so that there will be no harsh edges. Now it's time to do my lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I'm taking the two previous transition shades and putting it all over my lash line, followed by this brown shade from the palette and putting it in the outer two-thirds of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this Sugar Coal of Honor Intense Kajal, and I'll be just tight lining my eyes with it. Now taking that black from the trio, I'm going to smudge the outer edges of my lower lash line to just make it a lot more smoky and intense. For the mascara, I'm using Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara, and I'm just coating my lashes with it. It's time to wear some falsies, guys. So Voste is done, guys. The false eyelash on my right eye gave me a lot of trouble and it didn't stick properly. So for the blush, I'm going to use the Studiowest purepassion blush and put it on the apples of my face. And taking the highlighter from that Makeup Revolution Sculpt and Contour Kit, I'm going to just highlight my cheekbones, my nose, and my cupid's bow, my chin. You know the drill, guys. Taking the highlighter in a small pencil brush, I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and also highlight my brow bone with it. Now it's time to do my lips, and for the lips I'm using this Lakme 925 lip liner in the shade Brick Rose at first. And you can see, guys, the false eyelash on my right eye gave me a lot of trouble. It irritated my eyes so much. Now for the actual liquid lipstick, I'm using this Nykaa Matte Last liquid lipstick in the shade Bombay and Madras Cappy. So at first I'm gonna apply the shade Bombay, and then followed by the shade Madras Cappy on top of it, and the combination of these two liquid lipsticks give me the perfect nude shade for my skin tone. So this is how my lips are looking now. Now to set my overall face, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Setting Spray and just spritzing it all over my face. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you really liked this video, and if you did, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And this is what I'm gonna wear in the night of Navami, and this outfit is from the Bird of Paradise collection of Pankaj and Nidhi. See you soon, guys. Bye. Love you and happy Puja.